Fortunately, there's a simple way to get rid of hiccups. What this all means is that if you can stop the phrenic nerve from spasming, you can stop hiccups. There is a technique that can reliably eliminate hiccups, and it's a technique that takes advantage of hypercontracting the phrenic nerve over a short period of time so that it then subsequently relaxes or alleviates the spasming of the phrenic nerve. And that simple method is to inhale 3 times in a row. This is a very unusual pattern of breathing, but what it involves is taking a big deep inhale through your nose. Then before you exhale any air, take a second inhale through the nose, however brief that inhale might be, and then a third, even micro or millisecond long inhale through your nose to get that third inhale, and then hold your breath for about 15 to 20 seconds and then slowly exhale.